Valentine's Day is coming, baby. Send your boyfriend. Send your boyfriend. Honestly, it just doesn't get much better than that.
Don't
So,
you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl STRASHME, back with some Savage X Fenty February favorites. Already picked out my favorites. I'm so excited to show you guys, but also how have you guys been? I hope you guys are doing well. It's the second month of 2021. Oh my gosh, Valentine's Day is coming up. It's always such a weird kind of pressure, you know, oriented time. There's lots of stipulations and things like that. I don't know about you guys, but if I'm not getting a gift on Valentine's Day or treated like a princess, I'm single. And if you guys want to see how the Fenty favorites for February look on me, keep watching. Okay, so you guys know I love a little simple black set. This is so cute, so sexy, very 90s. This is the Savage X cotton jersey unlined bra in black caviar. The thong is also called black caviar. Both of these are under $20 on the website. And you guys know I always rave about signing up as a VIP member. You guys save a ton of money, you get discounts on shipping, dibs on extra sales, you guys get exclusive offers, so make sure you guys are swiping up and using my personal ambassador code when you guys sign up to be a VIP member. You guys will save a ton of money, get lots of cute stuff. And so yes, this is what it looks like from the back. The panties are a G-string. This is a very comfortable bra. It has some wiring underneath the breast to cause shape. But other than that, there is like little to no structure. This is like cotton. I think it's cotton and it's stretchy too. It's very forgiving. I love that. This is a little bit more of like a nylon, but it's very comfortable. It doesn't restrict me at all. I believe I am wearing a small and a 34C, so keep those sizes in mind. Okay, next style. Okay, so this is the strap-up lace yellow bralette and G-string in yellow amber. I am living for this set. Two reasons. One, it is super comfortable, which I did not expect. It's strappy and like sexy. So like normally those types of items are structured or they're poking you or they're just like, you know, causing you to stand all stiff. I just am not used to lingerie being like bright colors. Like I feel like it's always like red, black, hot pink or white, and so this is like a unique tone. Both of these items are under $20. You guys have to sign up as a VIP member. Make sure you're using my exclusive link again, but I mean, come on, under $20 both these items. Like, come on, Valentine's Day is coming, baby. Send your boyfriend. Send your boyfriend, you know what I mean? Okay, next style. Okay, so this is the flocked logo unlined bra in watermelon pink and the flocked Brazilian panties. So these have like a little cutout here, which is super cute. This is a soft nylon like mesh material. It's elastic and stretchy. Oh, actually, hold on. It's a little bit stretchy, like not too crazy stretchy, but it's still comfortable. Feels like you can spill into it and it's just going to structure you. The panties match, they have the same logo and they're comfy. They're like a full panty in the back and they have a cute little sexy cutout, so you don't have to be like, you know, too exposed. I like the set, I like the color. Again, I'm super excited about this new colorway for February and for April. They seem to be like corals and like lavenders and like teals, kind of pastel-y with a little bit of like bright spring tone vibe. So I'm very excited about the way these look on my skin complexion. Again, I'm just excited about like new and innovative colors in lingerie. I feel like that's not a thing, and so Savage X Fenty is always bringing the original authentic concepts to life. We live. So yes, you guys already know I'm coming in with the deal. So both these items are under $20, the bra and the panties. So under $40, you guys will get this set. You guys have to sign up as a VIP member. Make sure you guys are hitting the link in the description. I have a specialized link for you guys to save a ton of money on shipping, sales, everything like that. So I have you covered, don't you worry. Let's get into the next style. Okay, so this is the Savage Not Sorry purple unlined bra and panty set. This has the same Brazilian cutout as the other set, which I'm living for. I love the details of the Savage X Fenty this season. This has a super pretty lavender tone to it. I love the style of this bra. This specific bra here, I think it's the Balconette, like the Balconette lace bra with Savage X Fenty is my absolute favorite. Okay, let's get into the next style. Okay, so this is the strap up long sleeve lace slip dress. This is in amber yellow, just like the other set. This is like a little dress. It's super cute, honestly. It looks like this is something you would wear as like a layer over some lingerie. I do have some nipple covers on, so if you didn't, you would see like all nipple. Super sexy, very comfy, low key. This could be like a really cute outfit outside of lingerie. Like I would low-key wear this with like a little blazer underneath. So make sure you guys are hitting the link in the description, signing up as a VIP member. You guys are gonna save so much money on your first order. You guys are gonna save so much money on shipping. You guys are gonna get like so many exclusive offers and deals, like 2 for $29 bras, 50% off your shipping, 50% off your first order. There's like so many different things going on all the time, plus exclusive access to sales and deals and products and things that other people cannot get. Plus, you guys have the opportunity to sign up for the Fenty box, the Savage X Fenty box that is like personally curated by Rihanna, that gets sent to you every month. Honestly, it just doesn't get much better than that. So make sure you guys are hitting the description link. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you guys are commenting all of your thoughts and opinions. Like this video if you like this video. If it was helpful, please let me know. Hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more insight into the beauty industry. And other than that, you guys, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next time.
Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the